There are blue lights on. Oh, it lit up. Hey y'all, I got sent over some solar clamp-on lights. They're supposed to be like a 500 lumen, but they're supposed to have a little clamp on them. We're going to get them opened up and check them out, and I'll show you where I'm going to put them up, and then we'll go back out there tonight and see how bright they are. Have some little, what is this? Okay, little matting strips where you can mount these up on the wall or wherever. Comes with some mounting screws too. 2 sets because we got 2 lights. And a little mounting arm. Put the screws in the wall and the light onto there. Something like that. We'll see. Some more. Our other mounting arm. And our lights. Some more. Oh, our big clip on here. Okay, I see how this works, I think. Here's our other clip. And our light. Oh, we got some instructions in here. Let's pull them out. We can look at our instructions first. Okay. It's kind of like a cold shoe mount on a camera, if you will. Goes in right there. And this will slide in just like that right there. You can mount them up. Has a solar panel on the top to keep these things bright. Hopefully. Looks like we're pulling in some solar right now. These are motion activated. Supposed to have like 3 different levels. One is should be like a 30% brightness, and when motion is detected, it should brighten on up. The other one is lit up all the time. And let's see, what is the third one? Let me look and make sure I'm telling y'all right. Mode 1 shows a red indicator. Mode 2 shows a blue indicator. Mode 3 shows a pink indicator. That's cool, so you'll know what mode you're in. Mode 1, dim light, will stay on all night. Full brightness for 13 seconds when motion is detected. Mode 2 is the full brightness for 13 seconds when motion detected. So I don't guess they stay on. They just are full brightness for 13 seconds when motion is detected. Mode 3, dim light up at night and turn off until the timer. Turn off until the timer. Not real sure what the timer is because we don't have a remote or anything. But anyway. Ooh, whoa, those are bright, y'all. About blinded myself. Okay, that's cool that it'll tell you what mode you're in. I like that. I've done a lot of lights and they will not tell you. It's kind of a guessing game. So we probably want this on probably mode 2 because I'm going to put these in the backyard and I don't need it lit up unless there's something moving around back there. So mode 2 will be the blue indicator. That one's red. That's mode 1. That one's red. That one's blue. Okay, we've got blue on. Okay. You tighten these, you can turn these and put them however you want. Just tighten it up right here on this little thumb screw. Really cool. I like that. I like the idea of it telling you what mode you're in. It's not a guessing game. That's a huge plus right there. You know what? Just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to put one on mode, let's see, we'll put it on mode 1 and the other one on the mode 2. Mode 1 will be the blue light. Boy, that's bright. Look at that. Ooh. That's how it knows whether it's light or dark. There's a sensor up here. Go ahead and pull these off so we can make sure we get some good, unobstructed solar rays charging our lights. Those are pretty bright. Just for 500 lumens? Let's go out in the backyard and I'll show you where I'll put them and then we'll check back later when it gets dark. Okay, as you can see, I have a canopy thing. When I have this thing up and using it, I'm going to use this to clip on right there to light up inside there. But it's too cold right now to be out here enjoying this. So, in the meantime, this light here, I've got a light, I know you see it, but it's electric. And I really don't want to use a battery when I don't need to, and these will do the motion detection. So I planned on putting one right here on the side, just like, oh, I got that tight. I want it just like this. Turn where you can see when it's at that angle, and right, that ain't gonna work. Okay, we need that, slide that on the other direction, like that. There we go. Want it just like that. And it'll light up right here, and my solar panel is on top. You have to kind of manipulate that around a little bit and see if you can get it in the right position. Personally, I think it would have been better if they had put this like cold shoe mount where you could slide this on there on this side and on the back. Of course, it has the sticky adhesive stuff you can put back there and the screw mount. You could put this and then you could screw that into whatever, but got a metal building here and regular screw is not going to hold. So that's the way we're going to do it, right like that. Worked out for me on this one. Inside here, it'll be a whole lot easier. Alrighty, that one will be real good. So when I'm coming in out here to come in, it'll light it up. Then I can turn my light on. I got a light hooked up to that battery that this light's hooked up to, but I'll be able to see as I'm approaching the shed here. So we're going to see what that looks like after a while. Let's get back in where it's warm. Well, apparently we don't have something set right on the lights because I don't see one on. So let's walk out here and take a look. I see the blue lights. I know you probably can't see them yet, but there are blue lights on. Oh, it lit up. So I guess that one stays off. Maybe I guess I got them both set at the same thing. Yep, we move just a little, another one comes on. Actually, that's exactly what I want. Just for the sake of the video, we'll change that mode. Okay, that's the red. Got it on the red. Let's move over here and see what happens. That one kicked on. Let's be real still for a moment. Okay, there's our lower light. This one turned off. We got still long enough. Kind of blue light. It tells you that it's got power. I like that. I moved just a little. Okay, now let's move. Oh, came back on bright. That is exactly what I wanted. So now you kind of get an idea of how that works. I'm going to put this back where I had it because that's the way I wanted it. And now I've got it back on the blue. So let's get back in where it's warm and I'll wrap this up. I'll see y'all back in the house. Whew, got back in the house where it's warm. Hey, if you'd like those lights and you want to get some of your own, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours. And also, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't done so yet and you want to, I'd appreciate it if you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So what do you think about those? Those lights worked just the way they're supposed to. The only thing I had an issue with was the little cold shoe part where you slide the clip onto the light. If they were to put it on the other side too, that would be great. But you could use the adhesive, but I really like that clip on. That is a plus. And a huge plus is being able to know what mode you are in on that light setting. That is definitely a big perk right there. Anyway, I'm going to give it a 2 thumbs up because there's 2 lights. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.